I'm loaded up with tiles at the back of me. I've got a bucket and a half of glue, so I'll see how I go. I should be able to get back a fair bit. If I need more glue, well, I'll mix half a bucket at a time so it's not too much weight on the tiles. You'll see when I get further in anyway. Just having a think. Just having a think. So if I start again about here, or here, and then I can, yeah, right, cool. Don't forget, always do your edge. Doesn't matter what you got in your hand at the time, whether your hand trowel or your notch, doesn't matter. Use something to scrape away the glue. Oh, start there. There goes the clock. The cat's still tapping at the door, wanting to get out. So when I fill in that part, I'll be going from there to the wall. Close that end up a tad. I like it a lot. It's nice. Nice. And go the clips. Once you get in a bit of a rhythm, you're home and hose. All the time you're looking at that gap, you're making sure you've got no bend in your tiles. Another thing too, if you take notice that I'm always pushing my wedges, they're all going the same way, because that's helping to push the tile into the next. If I was going the other way, well then I'm pushing the tile away all the time. The way it's getting done now, it's pushing your tile into the one that's already laid, if you dig what I mean. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you'll see more. I bring out a video every 2 days. Click on the subscribe button and you'll see more and more of my videos. If there's anything that you want to ask, just ask me and I'll do my best to reply. So you don't get bored and sick of my voice, I'll click the button and I'll come back to you shortly. Okay, see you, bye.